Today we're diving into the world of DIY hair masks, the magical potions that can transform your locks from dull to dazzling without breaking the bank. Stay till the end to know how to apply them properly so that you get the full benefits. So, grab your apron and let's go. First up, the Avocado Elixir. Whipping up a DIY avocado and olive oil hair mask is like giving your hair a spa day it won't forget. Start by mashing a ripe avocado in a bowl until it forms a smooth paste. Then, add a generous amount of olive oil, usually about 2 to 4 tablespoons depending on your hair length, to the mashed avocado. Avocado is packed with vitamins and fatty acids which deeply moisturizes, promotes hair elasticity, and prevents breakage. Olive oil, a hydration hero, adds a glossy shine and tames frizz. Together, they create a powerful blend that nourishes your locks from root to tip and leaves your mane luxuriously soft, healthy, and radiant. Say hello to this ultimate recipe for hair happiness. Next, the Coconut Bliss Mask. Indulge your tresses in a tropical embrace of this Coconut Bliss Mask that's both easy and delightful. Simply mix 1 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons honey, and a splash of lemon juice, about half a lemon. The coconut oil and honey each deeply moisturizes, strengthens strands, and gives a natural shine. The zesty touch of lemon detoxifies the scalp by removing residue. It promotes scalp health and adds a radiant, natural shine. So together, they create a potion that revitalizes hair and leaves it effortlessly shiny. For all these recipes, we recommend organic and non-GMO ingredients as much as possible to avoid any pesticides that could potentially be harmful to your hair. Next up, the Banana Smoothie Mask. A magical concoction for luscious locks, the banana yogurt and honey hair mask is a heavenly treat for your tresses. Start by mashing a ripe banana in a bowl. This forms the base of your mask. Add in half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, ensuring it's plain and free from any flavorings or sweeteners. The yogurt brings in proteins and a creamy consistency. Finally, drizzle 2 tablespoons honey into the mix, stirring thoroughly to combine. Apply this delightful concoction evenly to damp hair, covering from roots to end. Bananas are rich in potassium and strengthening hair, while yogurt's protein content adds a luxurious sheen. We've already discussed the benefits of honey. This mask not only repairs damage, but it also gives a delightful aroma, which fills your hair with health and shine. Enjoying these tips? Go ahead and smack that like button. It helps YouTube know that you're finding this helpful and shares it with others to help them too. All thanks to you. Next up, the Extraordinary Protein Boost. Whisking up an egg and olive oil hair mask is like giving your locks a sunny side up delight. Start by cracking 1 or 2 eggs into a bowl, depending on your hair length and thickness. Add approximately 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil to the eggs. Whisk the mixture thoroughly to achieve a smooth consistency. Eggs are filled with proteins and biotin, which strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and promote hair growth. Olive oil adds a brilliant shine and tames frizz. This dynamic duo creates a power-packed elixir that deeply nourishes your strands and leaves them strong, gleaming, and ready to dazzle. Next up, the Honey Cinnamon Mask. To concoct this sweet spell for your locks, mix about 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey with a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Blend the 2 ingredients until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. We shared the benefits of honey before, and cinnamon stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes hair health. Together, this dynamic duo forms a potion that nourishes and revitalizes your strands and leaves them healthy with a lustrous shine. Next up, the Aloe Vera Quencher. Creating an aloe vera gel and jojoba oil hair mask is a breeze. In a bowl, mix together about 2 to 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, depending on your hair length, and add a tablespoon of jojoba oil. Blend the 2 ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth consistency. Aloe vera and its hydrating magic soothes the scalp and boosts hair health. Jojoba oil, a lightweight moisturizer, adds a glossy shine and tames frizz. This power-packed combo creates a dazzling elixir, which leaves your hair irresistibly healthy and shining with a natural radiance. Before moving on to more awesome recipes and how to apply them, go ahead, subscribe and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date on all the best hair tips to get gorgeous, healthy hair. Next up, the Cucumber Cooler Mask. This hair mask is like treating your tresses to a crisp, refreshing spa day. Slice up 1 cucumber and blend it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel until smooth. Aloe vera's hydrating prowess teams up with the cucumber's soothing properties, which leaves your scalp revitalized and your hair healthy. We know you're gonna love this next one, the pumpkin spice perfection. Save this one for fall, the perfect hair spa day. In a bowl, combine half a cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. The natural enzymes in pumpkin help exfoliate, while its moisture-rich goodness leaves hair hydrated. Along with honey and coconut oil's nourishing goodness, all these team up to strengthen, hydrate, and add a glossy shine. Up next, the papaya paradise. Creating a papaya and honey hair mask is a tropical breeze. Mash half of a ripe papaya and mix it with 2 tablespoons of honey. Blend it until smooth. Bursting with vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants, papaya promotes a healthy scalp, strengthens hair strands, and adds a natural shine. Together with honey, this luscious blend nourishes and strengthens, leaving your locks irresistibly vibrant. Gotta love the tropical goodness of papaya and a healthy, honey-kissed radiance. Next, the Cocoa Comfort Mask. This hair mask is like a dessert party for your hair. Just mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of honey until smooth. Packed with antioxidants, cocoa nourishes the scalp and promotes blood circulation, which helps hair health. Its natural richness adds a luscious shine, which leaves your locks with a deliciously chocolate-kissed glow. Combined with yogurt and honey, this decadent blend strengthens and adds a glossy shine. Now that you have your magical concoctions ready, let's talk about the art of application. It's not just about slathering on the goodness, there's a proper way for it. Let's talk about the best application tips for optimum results. First, start with clean, damp hair. This helps the ingredients penetrate better. Section your hair to ensure every inch gets the attention it deserves. Another pro tip here is to detangle your locks to make sure the potion coats every strand. Say hello to TangleGenie, the ultimate detangling tool that will save your strands. With its 360-degree bristle design, this magic tool glides through dry or damp hair, gently detangling without pain or pulling. You'll be amazed at how easily it slides through your hair and leaves it smooth and tangle-free. The best part? It helps prevent damage to your hair. Grab TangleGenie to prevent your precious locks from the damage other detangling methods can cause. After detangling and sectioning, apply your hair mask. Use a brush or your fingers to apply the mask, starting from the roots and working your way to the tips. Pay special attention to the ends, which are often more prone to damage. Don't be shy. Be generous with your application, but not too generous. We want your hair to soak up the goodness, not drown in it. Massage the mask into your scalp using circular motions for at least 2 to 5 minutes. This stimulates blood flow and promotes absorption. Pop on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a warm towel. This will create a cozy environment for the ingredients to penetrate deeply and work their magic. Each hair mask typically requires at least 20 to 30 minutes to soak in. After the time is up, use lukewarm water to wash out the mask thoroughly. There you go. Enjoy these easy-to-make concoctions. Do you have any other hair masks that you can think of? Share them in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And head over to this video right here to learn all the best scalp massage techniques you can use while applying the mask. Happy hair mask loving!